Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has seen a bit of selling pressure, but nothing major. So it's down around about 2% as per TradingView, and still tracking sort of the same structure really. Well, I've made a change to the micro. I can't remember if we talked about that in the last video already or if it was just a change I so far communicated to Gold members on Discord. I think I haven't talked about it in the video yet, but obviously you knew what would happen if we get a break below 69k, which we did. Okay, not a sustained break, but still that break below 69k that we had invalidated the previous structure, microstructure, and basically all I've done is I've just changed the count accordingly to what I said I would do if we break below 69k, which is just basically assuming this wave 4 might still be unfolding, right? And overall, we are still in a situation in which we were on the weekend. So the idea is just still that we're in this fourth wave pullback. You know about that. A wave, B wave, C wave. The B wave ideally is not finished yet. Would still prefer another high. I know I'm quite stubborn, but it's not a strong leaning. Okay, it's not a very strong leaning. I highlighted to you one more high is basically like the icing on the cake. Best metaphor I could find. Best metaphor. But what can I say? It would still look best with one more high. And that would be in the yellow count wave 5 of C, of B, possibly targeting here around about 72 to 73k next, maybe even stretching to 75k. And it would all be part of this ABC structure. And the C wave, the way it's looking like now, it's a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, which is quite substantial, and a wave 5. Yep, there are other corrective patterns that could apply here. I mean, there are more than, I think it's 12 or 13 Elliott Wave patterns in corrections that can unfold. And then you get corrections within corrections. So we always have to be a bit flexible with these corrective patterns. But yeah, that's the best count I've got at the moment. We're still holding above support. The key support level now is 66,697. But ideally, it's holding the intraday low. So that level is at around 68,150. So a break below that level would already, in my opinion, increase probabilities that this B wave rally topped and that we're already coming down in the C wave into the lower orange support region to complete this wave 4. And this C wave could then land possibly even down, it could reach 55.4k, which is the 38.2 retracement. Obviously, if we push any higher before topping and before the C wave down starts, that C wave might not come down that much. I mean, we don't need to get there, but it's sort of the next reliable fib level in the orange support region. So far, Bitcoin doesn't really want to come down, but also there was some selling pressure, but Bitcoin is clearly struggling in this range up there, which is, again, not a surprise because we're dealing with a corrective structure here and the price already rallied into resistance. So, of course, it's difficult for the price to push higher. And what else can I say? I mean, obviously, a break above the X wave high, which is here at around 71,440, would be a good confirmation that the fifth wave to the upside has started to unfold. Yeah, and I don't think there is anything else I could update. Let's see how it develops overnight. I think I would still like to see that one more high, but a break below the intraday low would definitely increase probabilities that a top is in place and that the C wave to the downside has started to unfold. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.